Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm the driver of this session. Please introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, I'm Ulrich and I'll be the navigator of Cebu's session.
Thank you. So, in this chapter, we are dealing with what we call man. What is Mern-Stack? Mern-Stack is a full JavaScript framework used for building dynamic web applications. It consists of four main parts, which is MongoDB, Express, React, and Node.js. So, what does MongoDB? It is a cross-platform document-oriented database, and Express.js, it is a Node.js web framework, and React, it is a client-side JavaScript framework, and Node.js, it is a JavaScript runtime environment. So with Mern-Stack, we work with all the languages. As you can see, I'm working on my MongoDB cloud. What did I do? I went to my OS, I chose OS and my cluster. I created a cluster and I went to, let's see if we can go to overview. I went to overview and I had a three dots here. Let's go to real-time database collections. Yeah, let me not go there. But as you can see, guys, I'm in my clusters, and that's how I see my collections. With what I load the simple called mflex. Mflex consists of my comments, embedded movies, and sessions, theaters, and users. So how does this run? First of all, we have our front end and back end. With our front end, we load what we call Express because we're working with Express in here. If you can look at this, we're working with Express. We need to download a third-party package which is Express. After that, what we do, we install npmi. Brings in the node modules. And then after that, I made npm start, which shows the front end. This is how my front end looks. But for this, we are working with what we call an API. An API is like a backend service for the movies, where I get a URL link for the movies from another, what is this, program that works with movies. So in order to get this, I must run my backend. And in order to run it, I went to my terminal and run what I call Mongo. Mongo stores all of this, and then in my VS Code, let's go to our backend. I run what I call node server. As soon as it shows this, it shows that the server is running. And as you can see, I have my API which has my movies controller. It carries all of that. It displays what's typed in the 20 movies and the movies route. If I go to the movie controllers, all of that, the reviews. The main thing was on my front end, when I go to a certain movie, let's say we're going in the inland of the Hero of Hunters, right? They say reviews. I want to add the reviews here. I don't know how to add the reviews. This one doesn't allow us to add the reviews. Let's go view reviews here. We don't get an option. Oh, I need to log in first. So I put in, for example, I need to put in my Gmail so that we leave a review. We put in our Gmail here. We say 45 at gmail.com. Then we say 908 and submit. So we are in. So now I can leave a comment in each movie that I want. So let's go to the Pearls of Pauline. A young Pauline is left alone. We can go here. We can add a review. It will show my user account, which is my Gmail. Let's leave, for example, nice. Now let's go back to the movie. As you can see, it shows my Gmail and which date did I leave the review. So yeah, this is the main point of Mern-Stack. We working with Express, we working with Node.js, we working with React, we working with MongoDB. So yeah, this is my MongoDB. I'm still learning on it. I went to my collections, and this is how I get my collections. I have movies. I have different kinds of movies. It loads the documents and all that. A group of pendants. Let's learn how to use Atlas. What is this? I don't know what is this. I don't know how to remove this. So to hold. I don't know what is that. But yeah, these the great train robbery. Young Pauline is left alone. As you can see, this is the database of it. This is the movie and the array and all of that. Comments 0, numflux. Let's go to the comments. So these are all the comments, guys. Yeah, thank you for viewing my YouTube channel, and I hope you hope to see the next content of what I load. Thank you.